Hi everyone, welcome. In this video I will talk about how to edit your image or remove background without installing any software on your PC. A few days ago Adobe Photoshop released an amazing extension. With the help of this extension you can edit your images in the browser, and even you can crop or like remove background easily. So you have to install the extension, and let me give you an example. When you go through on any image, you can see here icons of Adobe Photoshop extension. So you have to click on it. This will image open in the Adobe Photoshop extension. So you can now remove background, crop or adjust the colors. Okay, as you can see, we just remove the background less than a minute, and here you can download the image. Okay, and now it's also saved in our PC.